Introduction. Courts are a very important part of the criminal justice system of any country. The criminal courthouse is the scene of the trial process. Here, the criminal responsibility of defendants accused of violating the law is determined. Ideally, the court is expected to convict and sentence those found guilty of crimes while ensuring that the innocent are freed without any consequence or burden. The court system is formally required to seek the truth, to obtain justice for the individual brought before its tribunals, and to maintain the integrity of the government's rule of law. The main actors in the court process are the judge, whose responsibilities include overseeing the legality of the trial process, the prosecutor and the defense attorney, who are the opponents in what is known as the adversary system. These two parties oppose each other in a hotly disputed contest, the criminal trial, in accordance with rules of law and procedure. Importance of justice in society. From early philosophers to modern-day jurists, every scholar demands and craves justice. It is the bedrock of society. Without the provision of justice, society cannot function smoothly or prosperously. All major religions enshrine the importance of a just system in their respective religious codes. Islam stresses upon justice and greatly prioritizes it. A qazi will be the first one to answer for his decisions. After all, in this world, he is the one dispensing justice to the common man. A single individual kept incarcerated wrongfully would be an intolerable burden in the afterlife. Even a delay in the release of an innocent individual would be held accountable. History and evolution. The judicial system of Pakistan has evolved over a long period of time, spanning roughly over a whole millennium. The system passed through three distinct stages of historical development, namely Hindu kingdom, Muslim rule, and British colonial administration. The fourth and current era commenced with the partition of India and the establishment of Pakistan as a sovereign and independent state. The system, thus, has evolved through a process of reform and development. This conclusion enjoys near unanimity among historians and commentators of Indian legal history. During this process of evolution and growth, the judicial system did receive influences and inspirations from foreign doctrines, notions, and indigenous norms practices, both in terms of organizing court structure, hierarchy, jurisdiction, and adopting trial procedures practices. Therefore, the present judicial system is not an entirely foreign transplant, as commonly alleged, but has acquired an indigenous flavor and national color. And whereas the system may not fully suit the genius of our people or meet the local conditions, its continued application and practice has made it intelligible to the common man. The very fact that an increasing number of people are resorting to the courts for the resolution of their conflicts/disputes indicates that the system enjoys a degree of legitimacy and acceptance. People are familiar with maxims like, "Justice delayed is justice denied," and "Let justice be done, though the heavens may fall." Justice keeps balance and order in society and gears it towards prosperity and progress. While an unjust society cannot even imagine prospering and progressing because it collapses sooner or later due primarily to its unjust order and practices.